In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom member sign-up form to your site. By the end, you'll have a tailored registration experience that fits your brand and collects exactly the information you need, all while keeping the process straightforward for your visitors. Start in your site editor and click on Pages and Menu. This is the central hub for everything your visitors can navigate to, and it's the best place to manage where your sign-up experience will live. Opening this panel helps you see the structure of your site so you can place your form in a logical, easy to find spot. Next, click on Sign Up and Login. This section controls how people create accounts and access member-only content. It's where the settings for authentication live, so any change you make here will directly affect how new members get started. Then click on Member Sign Up Form. This brings up the specific tool that manages the form fields and the overall experience people see when they register. Think of it as the control room for your registration flow. From here, choose Custom Form. Selecting a custom form gives you the flexibility to tailor fields and messages to your needs, whether you want a simple name and email setup or a more detailed form. Keeping it concise improves completion rates, so include only what's essential. When you're ready, click on Add to Site. This places the sign-up form onto your page so you can see it in context. Once it's added, you can adjust its placement within your layout to align with your design and the flow of your content. Here you can change the design, update colors, fonts, and button styles to match your brand, and ensure text contrasts well with the background for readability. Consistent styling helps the form feel native to your site and builds trust with visitors. Here you can edit the layout, rearrange fields, tweak spacing, and refine labels to make the form scannable and intuitive. Group related fields together, keep the most important inputs at the top, and use clear, helpful placeholder text. Fewer interruptions lead to higher conversions, so avoid unnecessary friction. You can also set triggers here. Configure what happens after someone submits the form, such as showing a success message, sending a confirmation email, or directing new members to a welcome page. Triggers keep your experience polished and guide users to the next step without confusion. That's it. By following these steps, Pages and Menu, Sign Up and Login, Member Sign Up Form, Custom Form, Add to Site, then refining design, layout, and triggers, you'll create a clean, branded, and effective member